and welcome back to our channel. I am Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be focusing on model addition, part, and whole. So let's look at a few vocabulary words to better help us understand the lesson. The first one says part. Part is one of the numbers that is added. So for example, 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 and 1 are my parts. That is why they are circled. When I take a part and put them together, I make a whole. So here I took 4 and 1 and put them together to make 5. Let's look at our next vocabulary word, whole. All parts put together. So when I put 4 and 1 together, I make the whole of 5. Good. So I'm going to circle 5. In this example, 5 is my whole because I put part 4 and part 1 together to make 5. Okay, so our last word is add. This is when you put parts together to make a whole. So this action we're doing here is adding. Taking 4 and 1, putting them together to make 5, that is adding. Very good. So what you're seeing here is my part, whole chart. I have one part plus one part equals my whole, okay? So you can use this for many different math problems that have adding involved, such as word problems, picture problems, number problems, okay? So we're going to try different ways to do this. Let's start with just a normal number sentence. So I have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, so what numbers are being added? Those are my parts, 3 and 2. So I'm going to put my 3 in one box, my 2 in the other, and we know that 3 plus 2 equals 5. So when I add 3 and 2, I get a total of 5. And what is 5? 5 is my whole. Okay? Very good. Let's try another one. This time I won't give the answer right away. So I have 4 plus 2. I put my first part here, which is 4. Very good. So 4 plus what goes here? 2. Nice. So 4 plus 2. So if you hold up 4 and jump up 2 fingers, that should give you your whole. Ready? 4, 5, 6. So my whole is 6. Awesome. Let's try one more addition number sentence. How about 7 plus 3? So my first part is 7. My second part is 3. Now let's hold up 7 fingers, 7, and jump up 3. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So I write 10 as my whole. So let's try a word problem. It says, there are 4 friends eating pizza. 2 friends are eating tacos. How many friends are eating in all? I think I was getting a little hungry when I wrote this word problem. Okay, so we're going to start by circling what we already know. So it says, there are 4 friends eating pizza. How many friends are eating pizza? 4. Good. So let's circle 4 friends. 2 friends are eating tacos. How many friends are eating tacos? 2. Okay, so now we want to know, I like to underline my question, how many friends are eating in all? And if you watched the last video, you learned that in all means to add. Awesome. Let's write our 2 different parts up here in our part, whole chart, okay? So my first part is 4 friends, right? So I'm going to write 4. The second part is 2. Good. And now I'm going to add these 2 together to see what I get as my whole. So let's go ahead and hold up a fist and say 4 and jump up 2. Ready? Begin. 4, 5, 6. So my answer, or my whole, is 6. So my next problem says, 5 frogs are swimming in the pond. 5 frogs are sitting on a rock. How many frogs are there in all? So what do I already know? I know that how many frogs are swimming in the pond? 5. Good. So let's circle 5 frogs. Now it says 5 frogs are sitting on a rock. How many frogs? 5. Awesome. So let's circle 5 frogs again. Now I need to know how many frogs are there in all. And what does in all mean? Add. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to write my 2 parts up here, just as it shows here. So 5 and 5. And let's go ahead and hold the fist of the first part, 5, and jump up 5 more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So we have a total of 10 frogs. Very good job. Another way to use the part-whole chart is through pictures. So if you can see over here, instead of writing numbers, I drew circles. So I have 2 purples for one part and 3 blues for the second part. So what you can do is you can just bring all of these down together. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that I have drawn my 2 purple circles and my 3 blue circles together, that is bringing the parts together, and now we can just count them all, okay? So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many do I have in all? 5. Okay, let's try another one. I have 1 purple and 2 blue. Let's go ahead and bring them down. And now we count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So when I brought my 1 purple and my 2 blue and brought them together, I got a total of 3. So 3 is my whole. Okay, so now let's do our last one. I have 4 purple, so I'm going to draw 4 purple circles, and I have 1 blue. So I'm going to draw that blue circle, and now I'm going to count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So I have a total of 5. 5 is my whole. So that concludes our lesson for model addition using part-whole charts. I hope that this lesson helped you very much. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!